Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishna. I'm a CA student and I make content about the CA journey, studying and personal growth to help students just like you and me to navigate this phase a little bit easy. In last video, I talked about 5 reasons why every CA student should have a LinkedIn presence before starting their articleship. Now, if you haven't watched that one yet, make sure to watch it as I have talked about a lot of important elements and elements of having a LinkedIn presence. On to this video. In today's video, I'll be talking about a couple of things that you should keep in mind while creating your LinkedIn account. So let's get started. First things first. See, if there are people you really admire on LinkedIn, don't try to be like them. It's good to take inspiration from them, but while you're working on your own profile, focus on what you want to portray. How do you want people to see you? What makes you you, if that makes sense. It'll take a few tries to figure that out, and that's completely okay. The goal is to build a profile that feels authentic, right? Not a borrowed version of someone else's profile. Second thing to keep in mind is that you shouldn't outsource your personality to ChatGPT. I know how tempting it is to, ask AI to write me a perfect LinkedIn bio. I also did it when I was a newbie. But then the thing is, it wouldn't be you. It wouldn't sound like you at all. Instead, this is what you can do. Write down your thoughts, what you do, what you care about, what are your goals, and then you can use AI to fix your grammar or refine your phrasing and the way you wrote things. That way, your profile still sounds like you, just better written, right? Now, next thing to remember is LinkedIn isn't Instagram or Reddit. You can totally share memes and fun stuff. I do too. But remember, whatever you post stays on your profile and shapes how people see you and perceive you. So, do keep it relevant to your field or at least reflective of your interests and values. It's all about the balance, a mix of professionalism and personality. Also, be mindful of whom you connect with. Don't just hit connect on everyone you see, right? The quality of your network matters more than the number. Follow and connect with people whose content actually helps you learn and matters to you. Whether it helps you to learn something in finance, productivity, or personal growth, whatever it is, that's how it should be. That's how LinkedIn becomes valuable, not just another app on your phone. So don't just focus on increasing the numbers, right? Now, one of the most important aspect which may seem trivial, not so important, but is of much importance. Choose a clean, simple profile picture. I cannot stress this enough. You don't need a professional photo shoot, but you have to skip both extremes. No glitter filters and no blurry Aadhaar card photos instead, okay? You have to go for a neat close-up picture with a simple background. It works the best. Remember, your profile photo gives people their first impression of you. Now, second last thing to remember is write your about section like a story, not your resume, right? Don't just list out achievements you mentioned in your resume. Talk about your journey, maybe why you are pursuing CA, what motivates you, what you are curious about, things like that. To get an inspiration or an idea of how the about section looks like, you can look at about section of people you admire or follow. See, the thing is, people connect with stories, not bullet points. And if you make your about section like a narration of your resume, that's the kind of impression it is going to give to the people. Like it's like a list of bullet pointers. You don't want to give that kind of you don't want to give off that kind of impression, right? And lastly, keep your profile active but with intention. Now, what do I mean by that? What I'm trying to say is engage with posts that genuinely interest you. Comment your thoughts, share your experiences, and be consistent. Basically, consistently engage on your LinkedIn, right? You don't have to post every day about something or the other thing, but showing up once in a while keeps your profile alive and visible. All right, so those were some of the many things you should remember while creating your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you do decide to work on it and create a profile after watching my videos, do share your profile in the comments or maybe DM me. I'd love to take a look. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask them too in the comments below. And if this video helped you figure out a couple of things, make sure to comment and subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one with yet another interesting topic. Till then, bye.